Anyway, I've called this little set of verses "The Monk from Byron Bay." It's meant to be a bit of a laugh, and
he's hoping.
He's hoping. Yeah. Thank you so much. I have tried to get around the party and speak to as many people.
That was a vote of confidence.
There was movement down in Byron, for the word had got around that the Swami known as Kellogg was turning 50. Around the globe, not just the nation, his friends held deep collaboration on how best to make his day much more than nifty. Now they all knew the fame he had tasted, and though half of them were wasted, a few ideas did emerge from smoke and liquor. "A surprise party," said one smarty. "But where to have it," said another. "The bastard will never cop it," said his brother. "We'll just land on him," declared Marito.
No warning.
Yeah, "we'll just land on him," declared Marito. And this thought was so much sweeter than the ideas which followed, which soon got sicker. I can't recount them all. There are women and children after all, but I'll tell a few, so hold on to your ticker. "We could get the bloke a hooker," said one desperate from Maclean.
I know who that is.
Where is she?
"We could get the bloke a hooker," said one desperate from Maclean. "But his sweetheart's such a looker. What's the point?" A bath in Bailey's Irish cream might make a difference to his day. Well, I can afford a slab of VB at the joints. Now listen, all you sons and mothers, this bloke Khalid is my brother. And you can take my word, he's into nothing sordid. But those ideas up above are quite a few that I would love. When I turn 50, that's how I'll be rewarded. No, my bro Jules is quite a monk, though he still is full of spunk. Although, as I hear, the spunk is lately filtered. But he likes and loves all friends, and our presents need be few, for our Khalid lives a life that is more sheltered. Just to be there on that day, and the kind words we might say, except for little digs in struggling rhymeless ditties, is all this man would ask. In fact, he'd ask nothing at all, and just be glad we've come from country, town and city. Well, we settled on a party, but then got him to settle up. After all, he is a businessman of skill. And as for presents, why, I will be present. So I'd say we've done it all. See you in 10 years for his 60th. Well, I will. Well, I've nearly done these verses, and though I hear my big bro's curses, there's just one minor thing I've yet to say. Search the world, the constellation. No finer friend nor mate you'll find. He's given me more than I could repay. There was movement down in Byron, for the word had hit the town that the monk with no regrets was here to stay. So Jules, Khalid, Binch or Kellogg, whatever the fuck may be your name, let me raise a glass and shout happy birthday! I like that it's about somewhere between the gearbox and the clutch. I just grabbed the pen and said, "Oh, I got an idea." And I just stopped, honestly, it was midday, just scribbled it all out, and got up at 4:20.
I think we should give it to the editor of the Here and Now.